Can we meet you?
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Zizi.
Okay, what are you doing this morning, Zizi? I can see you've been playing with some Play-Dohs and you've made some fantastic artwork. Who is that?
Cinnamon.
And what's that?
Pineapple.
And what's that?
Hat.
So what do you want to make next? What do you want to make with the Play-Doh you're holding? Continue, roll it and make something nice. We're watching. What do you want to make next?
Hat.
You want to make heart, okay. But I think you need to roll it some more to get the perfect heart.
A perfect hat.
Yeah, roll it flatter.
Roll it flatter. And
I think you should make a pineapple actually.
pineapple nut.
Yes. So you press it down properly. Press it down some more. Shake it to get the excess off.
And excess come off.
The excess has come off, so. Okay, so now you're gonna take off the excess and let's see your pineapple. Okay. Can we see your pineapple?
Yeah. And
you've taken off the excess. So let's see what you got.
Pineapple.
Wow, that is beautiful. So are you going to place it next to the other one? So how many pineapples have you got now? Can we count?
1, 2.
No, how many? Touch it and count. We've got different colors.
1, 2, 3.
Well done. And how many hearts have you got?
1, 2.
Great. How many ginger men have you got?
1, 2, 3.
Great job, Zizi. See you next time. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.